In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make files available offline anytime with OneDrive. In our increasingly mobile world, having access to your important files whenever you need them without relying on a constant internet connection can help streamline your productivity and ease. So, let's delve into the steps to ensure your files are always at your fingertips. First, make sure you've got the OneDrive application installed on your device. If you're using Windows 10, it might already be on your computer, but if not, you can easily download it from the Microsoft Store. Once installed, open up the OneDrive app and sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. This account acts as your access point to all your files in the cloud. Next, take a moment to locate the files or folders you want to have available offline. When you open up OneDrive, you'll see your directory just like you would in any folder on your desktop. Browse through it until you find the specific items you want accessible offline. Whether it's a critical work document, some personal photos, or any kind of file you might need on the go, finding them is often the hardest part. Once you've determined the files you're interested in, right-click on the document or folder. In the context menu that appears, select the option Always Keep on this device. This simple action downloads the file to your device, making it available anytime, even if you're not connected to the internet. A little green checkmark icon will appear next to your files, reassuring you that they are now safely stored locally. Additionally, let's talk about optimization to manage your device's storage effectively. OneDrive uses a feature called Files on Demand, which cleverly balances between online and offline availability to save space on your hard drive. If you're ever low on space, you might want to free up storage by simply right-clicking an unneeded file or folder and selecting Free Up Space. This sends the file back to the cloud while keeping it visible for future use. If you're using a mobile device, the process is just as simple. Open the OneDrive app, navigate to the files you want offline, and tap the More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots. You'll then find an option saying Make Available Offline. Tap it, and your file will start downloading to your device. Remember, keeping files offline means they take up local storage, so it's essential to regularly assess which files you truly need offline to avoid consuming your device's capacity. Regularly managing and updating your offline files will also ensure you have high-priority documents readily available during crucial times. There you have it. With these easy steps, you'll ensure that your OneDrive files are available offline anytime, making your digital life a little more seamless and accessible. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to share it with others who might find it beneficial. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tech tips.